Alright, hello people. So right now I'm upset because I'll show you. And by the way, this is on a friend, not a friend in real life's account, but they lend me the account so I could see the videos, this video. So anyways, this is the video, so. I'll turn on the mic, so. Truths, I did not start this war. It's true. This person is rude. They blame basically everything on me. And my friends try and help me, which is only one or two. I don't really know how many friends I have. Probably just one anyways, which is Blue. And this person started everything, so. Well, I guess that's mostly it of the video, so. Alright, so right here. Oh my gosh, I literally okay, I did spell it correct. It's true. So, anyways, please don't trust this Haley person. And wait a second. I want to see the reaction. Oh yeah, I got a new little dogger. So cute. And storage. I also have family storage anyway, so I'll just wait until I get a response. And people, I have to say, I'm scared for the response from you know who. So, I'm just still gonna wait and there's still no answer. They didn't show. It didn't show. There's something wrong with my Wi-Fi connection. Anyways. I'm sorry I have to do this. I think people hate me. I just got 50 bones. I could imagine what I could do with All I want is a couple more bones so I could get this or that. Because of creativity. Why won't it? I've been waiting so long, and guess what? There was no answer! I don't know what to do now. I just want to go pure hacker skills right now. I hate ads now. I guess I'm making a try not to laugh challenge in Hi Puppies video. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Is this cat famous or something?
Are you listening?
That cat is so cute. Aww. Wait, how is this one actually funny? I mean, oh, the music. Oh no. That cat is also so cute. Oh no. Oh. Yeah, he's so cute. That cat is so cute. That is so cute. Alright, there is no answer yet. Like, it's basically like you're on like 2 minutes ago, and then you get off. Sorry, you go off, not get off. You go off, and then you never go back on in 10 million years. That would be awesome. Well, that's it for this video, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed.